Here's a quick tutorial on things you could do with the Otterbox Defender case. I got it for my S23, and it could clip in to the case like this and go on your belt. You could also do it if you want to protect the screen, like this. But if it's in this orientation, there's some other cool stuff you could do. You could, instead of just being a belt clip, you could push and apply force completely until it clicks, and then it stays out like a kickstand, and then you can watch a movie. And you could also rotate it 360 degrees. You also need to be careful. The first time you do it, it might be a bit hard to push, but you could move it 360 degrees like that. So it'll be good also for watching a movie, showing something to your kids, or just like a stand when it's charging. And if you want to release the latch, you push on this, and then it unclips and it goes back to normal.